A way to remember our fallen servicemen and women. Our temperatures this morning are in the middle 60s. Very comfortable start this morning, warmer than normal. We'll start off the day with those warmer than normal conditions and see that into the afternoon, but it's a difference from yesterday. Instead of upper 80s, we'll see highs in the upper 70s. All happens under mainly sunny skies for the majority of the day. Clouds starting to roll in this evening and tonight. And we've got quite the different story for tomorrow. After a beautiful weekend, tomorrow is chilly and it ends up damp too. We're tracking rain for your Tuesday. I'll time that out for you ahead of my full forecast.
Breaking overnight news on the Providence-Cranston line, where several people had to be rushed to the hospital after two vehicles rammed into a fence. This was the scene on Potters Avenue